good. So you got now got a spill shield. Hey. Is it only Bruce D's truck that has the black rubber thing behind his one? Like on the spill shield, just behind it, he's got this black rubber piece to like stop stuff like coming out or something. Yeah, I think it's like at the top of the spill shield or something. Oh yeah. Of all the rest of the FOGO trucks that got the bin, have they all put it on this side? Or is it on the other side? I know Curtis's is on the other side, because his was first done. Oh yeah. Anne's is on this side, because I saw her truck the other week. And then, I think Mark's truck, the Mini Hino, his would be on the far side, because on this side there's like a wee electrical box thing there by the arm. So I think his might be on the far side too. Oh yeah. But any of the trucks still got the black buckets or no? Bruce said one of them does. Oh. It's got the back piece, not the front piece, eh? Like, because you know how when they first removed Curtis's, they took off the front bit that opens, and then they just left the back bit on. Yeah, Mark's might be still like that, I think. I'm not sure. Yep. Yep. There's Mark along the road. Did you see him? Oh, someone else? Oh yeah. Oh yeah, okay. Yeah. Alright. Alright. You have a good day.